What's good, y'all? Back again with another video. We got my boy Shem out here. We got his power stroke, and we got a new grill for it. In this video, we're gonna put the grill on, wire up his aux lights. Hopefully we'll do it right, but let's get into it. Okay, this is his grill now, and this is the grill he's gonna be upgrading to. Look at this thing, gloss black, light bars. And if we lift it up, you'll see there's some wires that we need to wire up. So how we're gonna do that is in the Fords, they have these aux switches right here. So we're going to wire up aux 1, which how you have to do that is underneath here, there's some wires right here. We need to wire up these to this yellow, where'd it go? Where did it go? Right here. This yellow wire has to go to the white wire right here. Wire those together. And then here's a fuse box. Right down there, you'll see those wires right there. We're going to connect those to the grill wires and get it done. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse and we're going to jump into it. Okay, we ran into our first issue. If you look right here, we have that hole, and all those, and they don't align with anything. So we were like, what the heck? So sure enough, we looked on the old grill, and this bracket right here that goes all the way across, we need to take out. So he's taking those out now, and then we're going to install this on the new grill, and it should line up and work right. But if it ain't one thing, it's another. Ain't that right?
Uh-huh. It's always something with us, bud.
Right, with us. Hey, but we're the most honest people on YouTube, right? We're gonna show you our mess ups.
Yeah.
Okay, it's finished up. That looks so much better than this stock piece of junk. Wow, that looks awesome. I love that gloss. It ties in with those headlights so well. And same thing with the red. I feel like it all ties in now. Whereas before, I feel like it stood out a little bit. Not in the best way. Now it just flows, ties in together. And it took us about 20 minutes to get in. But if we actually knew what we were doing the first time, probably would have took us 10. But hey, that's what we do best.
You learn as you go, buddy.
Yep. So we got it all in now. It was a pretty straightforward process. And we ran the wire all the way. You'll see it right here. That's the wire we ran. Right. There it is. These wires, and we're going to tie it into those white ones back there, and then ground out probably to somewhere in that area as well. So we'll get you on a time lapse and get that started as well. All right, it is wired. Got it all under there, tied up. Now, we're gonna put that back in real quick. Should just pop right back. Push right back in. Jen, I'm gonna let you hold the camera. Go up to the front and let me know if we got power. All right. 3, 2, 1.
We got power.
It's on?
Yep.
Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, my head. That looks so sick. Oh, my gosh. That looks awesome. Oh, my gosh. This thing looks sick. Wow, I love it. John, I'd say that was a good upgrade, buddy.
Yeah, good one.
I'd say that was well worth the money. Listen, I ain't gonna let you guys leave without getting some rollers and without getting some exhaust notes. Don't you guys worry. I'll do it for y'all. Here we go. All right, y'all. That'll reach the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. His truck is so sick. The build he's done to this thing is just unmatched. It's so cool. Like I said, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and we'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.